Namaste, dear viewers. Gavo Vishwasya Mataraha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today, I would like to tell you about the source of our very existence, human existence. Human existence is as old as the existence of cows. Cow is an integral part of our life because I told you, Gavo Vishwasya Mataraha. It is the mother of the whole world. Wherever, either in India or in America or in Australia, everywhere human beings, human civilization is there. Wherever there is human civilization, cow has been an integral part of this human life. So we need to protect, nourish, and nurture these cows and its species forever. So, this cow being an integral part of our life and our daily activities, I would like to tell you the importance of this cow and cow products. I need not mention our ancestors had given more importance for cows, and the divine cow, which is considered as Nandini, who is the most important for the Raghuvamsha, how this Dilipa Maharaja, that story, everybody knows. Nandini is considered as the divine cow, and we consider it as Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu means whatever we desire, the cow has the power to bless the person who is going to take care of that cow. So therefore, Gavo Vishwasya Mataraha. The science has already proved that if the mother's milk is going to become extinct, or if the mother during the lactation period, if the mother is not able to feed the baby cannot survive without mother's milk, but the baby's next immediate substitute for the mother's milk is cow's milk. No other's milk, no other animal's milk. We give as compatible as the human milk, it is only the cow. So the cow's milk is considered as the most compatible one if mother's milk is not available. So that is the reason why cow is considered as the second mother. And all the cow products, for example, Gogavya, that is Gavya. Gavya means it is from the cow only. We call it as Gavya. That is Gokshira, Gomutra, Godadhi, Goghrita, and Gomaya, what we call it as. All these five integral part of the cow, it is considered as the most important. If at all, if there is anything which is as pure as anything in this world, it is Panchagavya. Panchagavya is considered as the most important five products of cows. If we take the history, the Mutra and Mala, the excreta of any living entity out of 84 lakh of species, 83,99,999 species, Mutra and Mala is considered as inauspicious, and it is considered as filthy. Is it not? But if at all, if there is any Gomutra and Gomaya, which is considered as most divine and auspicious and sanctified, that is only cows. Is it not? It's an amazing thing. It's the God's mercy that Gomaya and Gomutra is also going to do some great wonders. I need not say. In our Karnataka, Raghaveshwara Bharati Swamiji, who is considered as an epitome of, that is, Go Seva in Ramachandrapura Matha. Definitely, he becomes the chief ambassador of this Go Seva. And we Go products also, we are all going to use it. And one of that is Panchagavya. I would like to tell you the importance of Panchagavya in a very brief way. In Shastras it is mentioned, Yavat Astigatam Papam Bhavet Janmani Janmani Prashanat Panchagavyasya Dahati Agnirivendhanam. This shloka, which is going to give a boost for all the people who are going to use cow products, Panchagavya. Panchagavya, from Panchagavya we are going to prepare so many medicines, starting from soap to all the Panchagavya products. It's available by the Ramachandrapura Mutt people, and it is being utilized, and there is a separate faculty to treat also the doctor who is going to prescribe Panchagavya products also. This is the important sanctified meaning of this shloka, that is Prashanat Panchagavyasya. So that is how Dahati Agnirivendanam. That is, Panchagavya is considered as the most important for everyone. Yadyad Astigatam Papam, it is told. When the Papa, the sin which is going to enter to the Asti means bone, it is deep rooted. All the doshas in Ayurveda, it is told, all the doshas which are going to get Astigata, it is very difficult to cure. But this shloka which says yavat astigata yadyad astigatam papam bhavet janmani janmani, it can be from previous life also, that sin which is going to be deep rooted in you. But prashanat panchagavyasya, when you consume this panchagavya, prashanat panchagavyasya dahati agnirivendanam, as the fire is going to gulf the wood actually, as the fire is going to burn the wood so fast, in the same way, the sins are going to get completely burnt or destroyed by this. And the best example I am telling you, from past 20 years I have been consuming Go Mutra Arka. From morning on empty stomach, 20 ml I consume as it is without dilution. And my energy is always in the same as I was young. Definitely. Now I am 52-year-old, but still, that energy definitely it is going to boost you, because I am the example and I have the experience of this Gomutra Arka Sevana. So I consider the Krishna brand of Gomutra Arka, which is particularly coming from the Gujarat, that is the species we call it as Gir. That is considered as the most purest and the very sanctified type of. We need to have that is not from Jersey cow. We need to go for the typical type of Indian breed cow. That is going to help you a lot. So therefore, this shloka, Yagyad Astigatam Papam Bhavet Janmani Janmani Prashanat Panchagavyasya Dahati Agnirivendanam. Hope all dear viewers are going to take it seriously and do the Go Seva. Thank you very much. Gavo Vishwasya Mataha.